to add a dynamically updated date on a WordPress page or post. The simplest way is through the use of WordPress plugins. The best plugin I found was a plugin called WP Date and Time Shortcode. WP Date and Time Shortcode allows you to use shortcode in a theme builder, such as the Divi theme builder. What results is an outputted date that changes based on the day and time. So there is documentation for this plugin. So WPDTS, the main shortcode which works with all attributes, equals to WPDTS date time by default. The one I use is WPDTS date, which is just the default date format from WordPress general settings. It is the date, but doesn't include a time. If you include the time, it is going to change on every refresh of the page. So I included the date on this page here, WPDTS date, and this date is consistent with the settings that are set in the general settings of WordPress. So my date time format is this and this. So that is what appears on the WordPress page. Specifically the date in this format, which is month, numerical date, and the year separated by a comma. If you change settings, the outputted date will change as well. Then you would click the blue Save Changes button. And then what results is a dynamically updated date on the WordPress page post. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.